Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be comparing luxury real estate as compared to commercial real estate and which is a better investment. Now I'd like to point out that both of these are great investment opportunities, and in truth it depends on certain circumstances and a few factors as to which one will be more beneficial. For example, a few factors such as location, type of tenants, and when we're talking about commercial real estate, which business the tenants plan to open. Now, I'd like to state a few pros and cons regarding both. Commercial real estate tends to have higher rent margins as compared to residential or luxurious real estate, but luxurious real estate is sold out or rented out much faster as practically everybody needs a home to live in. Commercial real estate, depending on the business owner, can even go out of business, and that can highly affect the rent or the timing of the rent. And as we mentioned before, location is a very important factor when we talk about commercial real estate, because if somebody opens up a business and it's not in an ideal or good location, the chances of customers coming to that certain commercial real estate would be very low. Whereas residential real estate, no matter where the location is, it can be considered very likely that somebody will either buy or rent it. So again, both of these have their pros and cons, but in truth, if we're talking from a rent-oriented aspect, I would have to say that commercial real estate is better, as commercial real estate has a much higher rent margin when we compare it to luxurious real estate. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.